How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, or Little RV Specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, and my kids call me Dad, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty, financing packages, a full-service department, and camping after your purchase at our historic Crystal Fountain Park. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2008 Roadtrek 190 Versatile with 117,369 miles. Alrighty folks, here we are inside of this 2008 Roadtrek 190 Versatile. Harder to find versatile floor plan here if you are unfamiliar with the differences between the Roadtrek 190 Popular and 190 Versatile. We have a video outlining those differences. We'll put that in the video description as well as here on the video screen, so you can check that out and see which one may be right for you. As you can see, we've got these 4 seats up front with seat belts on those, 3 seat belts here on the rear sofa, so a total of 7 seat belts in here. Makes this great for taking friends and family along with you for adventures. Approximately 72.5 inches of headroom here in this wet dry basin. There's a trench cover here that's going to cover up the trench drain so you can shower here, and it's going to let the water go down into that trench. You can pull the curtain around you on the ceiling to help contain the water. You have a fantastic fan that runs on the coach battery system that can act like your exhaust fan. That can also be your attic fan at night. Bring the cool outside air in through your screen windows. Got one up here in the front. Also over here. Fire extinguisher down here for life safety. We got some storage beneath these. I'll show you here in just a little bit. These are cup holders. Curtain you can pull across for privacy, as well as in the front. As you can see here, we have both of our front seats swiveled. Makes this great for using the table up front for card games, just general conversation, things like that when you're out on the road. Spot up here, you can tuck things that you want to grab as you come in and out of the coach, getting ready to head out the door for your adventure. These are covers for the windows up front, so you can block those out. Start, stop the Onan 2800 generator here. That has a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. That runs on the fuel tank. Will stop running around a quarter tank, so you cannot strand yourself. That has 174 hours. This is our electrical panel. Water heater on off. This burns propane. It will ignite itself. Levels test, do not consider these gospel. They're notoriously finicky. Water pump will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank to your sink, shower, toilet. Coach battery disconnect. Microwave runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. AC 110 power there that the microwave is plugged into. 2-burner propane cooktop. Single basin sink. Solid surface counters. AC 110 power here, so you can make this a good spot for your air fryer or coffee pot. Three-way fridge freezer. Instructions in the bottom of the box. You can use the buttons on the front to control that. Leave it in the auto setting. It'll do what it needs to do to stay cool, as long as you have the appropriate fuel. Got our freezer up top. It's the water heater. Nice large mirror on the bathroom door. Easy to get to the stool. Another mirror on the inside. Shower head, shower curtain to help contain the water. There's access to the plumbing and the toilet beneath that. Closet here with a tabletop that you can use in the front or the rear. There's 2 table legs. This is a small board you'll use to make up the big bed in the back. Hang your jackets here. More space up top with AC 110 power inside of here. This head unit will control the white speakers you see throughout the coach in the back. Noxious gas detector down here. This is an access to the winter tank. That's the smaller freshwater tank that's inside of the Roadtrek. Screen windows on both sides in the rear with curtains throughout for privacy. AC 110 power back here. Also over here, makes this convenient for sleeping or having your guests ride along back here for your RV adventure. Power sofa up and down. Control the Cool Cat AC heat pump. Heat pump will work down to around 40 or 50 degrees outside temperature. Below that, you'll have to use the propane furnace. This also controls that, much like your house. Manuals. Storage that goes all the way back to the back of the van. AC 110 plug there that the Cool Cat is plugged into. I'm gonna go and drop some pictures now so you see what our bed area looks like made up and get some measurements. The sofa in the upright position measures approximately 20 inches north-south or front to back and 72 inches east-west from wall to wall. Use the button to flatten the sofa where it measures approximately 42 inches north-south or front to back and 72 inches east-west from wall to wall. Use the board and additional cushions to make up the big bed that measures approximately 52 inches north-south or front to back and 72 inches east-west from wall to wall. The table mount makes the rear seating area a convenient dining, gaming, or mobile workstation. The front table mount makes the front area an additional conversation, dining, or gaming area for 4 guests. There is storage beneath the 2 passenger seats up front. Why shouldn't you buy flowers at a monastery? Because only you can prevent florist friars. Both the windows behind me open up, but they do not have screens. This is a crank for your TV antenna. Do not want to drive around with that up. Another storage rail up here where you can tuck things that you want maybe up in this front area. Also a good spot up here for your sunscreen and sunglasses. Nice specimen here in the harder to find 190 versatile variant. Again, check out that 190 popular versus 190 versatile video. It's going to show you a lot about these 2 floor plans, including how these beds can be made up in the front here. A little more clunky than you're sleeping in the back, but it's technically possible. We do have our propane furnace right here as well. Lining this unit up against other 2008s that we would see out there normally, I'd say this is a very nice unit. It's very well cared for, in my opinion. As far as what you can tell, it's been here twice now. So it's something we always like, is having coaches that we are familiar with and have a track record with. So lining this one up against other ones, I'm going to call it a 9 out of 10, depending on how much you knock it for some stripe blemishes and things like that on the outside. Nothing that affects the fun or usability of this coach. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. Make sure you're fully comfortable with your new motorhome before you head off for parts unknown. We highly recommend you stay with us your first night here in small town Sherwood, Ohio at Crystal Fountain Park. It's going to give you a great opportunity to give everything a good shakedown. Make sure you're fully comfortable and understand how everything works. If anything needs buttoned up, we are right here alongside to help you with that. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise. Nice clean upholstery. Not seeing any signs of smoking in the form of burns, stains, tears, no funny smells. So while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this a non-smoker. Plug in your phones, charge your devices here. Stash your things here in this little glove box area. Head unit has the backup camera built in. This has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth. Pull this curtain across for privacy while you are parked. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna go around the outside of this 2008 Roadtrek 190 Versatile. This motorhome measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper. This Roadtrek is built on a Chevy Express 3500 chassis with a 6-liter V8 engine with 117,369 miles. Nice looking exterior on this one. A few little nicks and things here and there on the stripes. Nothing you're going to notice as the RV is driving by. You can open both doors. There's a plug down there so you can plug things in outside. Got a porch light out here. Coach battery. Air conditioner coming out the back. Storage beneath the sofa in the rear. Propane tank is behind this little cover here. It's mounted to the unit, so you have to drive somewhere to have that filled. Got a gauge to tell how much is in there. Valve to turn that on and off. Tow package here. You can take a bike rack along with you. You can fill the onboard fresh water tank. That's the winter tank, which is the smaller tank in this. You'll fill the main water tank up here in the driver's door. Generator exhaust. Generator's down underneath the unit where the spare tire normally would be. Get the full-size spare here on the rear that you can drop down and open both the doors. Fuel tank, fill the engine. We'll also run your generator down to around a quarter tank so you cannot strand yourself. A little closer look here at our striping. Back of the water heater, back of the refrigerator, furnace exhaust, outside shower. Wash your shoes off after a hike. Keep the mess out of the camper. Got our shore power cord here. It's a 30 amp connection. City water is over here. Got your hose, you can store things like that in here. A little light for when you're working. Macerator pump, you're gonna pull the black first. You're going to engage the macerator pump by pushing this red button. So do the black first, then the gray, pump all that out. Fill the main freshwater tank there. Nice Roadtrek here in the harder to find 190 versatile floor plan. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.
Howdy folks, it's Levi Kuhn here today with a rig report on this 2008 Roadtrek 190 versatile. We did sell this coach back in 2024. Customer traded it back into us because they wanted something a little bit larger. This one just did not fit their needs. They wanted to go with something a bit bigger. So they traded it back into us. So it was pretty easy for us to get this coach ready. There was not a lot that I had to do to it, but we still did run it through all of its paces. We did a front end alignment. We did another DOT chassis inspection, as well as the full chassis service. So this coach is ready for you to hit the road. And now for the inside portion of the rig report today on this Roadtrek. This one was pretty easy to get ready, as previously stated. We did sell this coach just a couple of years ago, but we still put all of the coach items through our normal inspection process. Everything was tested, serviced, to make sure that this coach is ready for you to go out and travel. A couple things as a notate on the coach side of things, the generator. We did put a new carburetor on the generator, as well as a voltage regulator. And then the radio in the dash was replaced with a new radio. That radio came with a backup camera, so we installed that backup camera as well. So new radio with backup camera. If you have any questions on this Roadtrek, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV at 440 Ohio RVs.